Friends, this video is going to be on Cefiget. The formula in Cefiget is Cefixime 100 mg per 5 ml, and this is a product made by Gets Pharma. The price of one bottle is 195 rupees. This medication called Cefixime is used to treat a wide variety of bacterial infections. This medication is known as a cephalosporin antibiotic. It works by stopping the growth of bacteria. This antibiotic treats only bacterial infections. It will not work for viral infections such as cold or flu. Using any antibiotic when it is not needed can cause it to not work for future infections. Take this medication by mouth with or without food as directed by your doctor, usually once a day, but in children the dosing of this medication is twice a day with a gap of 12 hours. But the dosage is based on your medical condition and response to treatment. In children, the dosage is also based on weight. It's a very good medication to treat many types of bacterial infections and which occur during seasonal changes. And I hope you like the video. If you like our videos, subscribe and share our channel. Thank you very much. Have a good day.